This is a good one. Spun a bearing. Check this out. Sounds like it. Actually look down. Oh, that's not good. Bad.